lesson is about occupations in English. يتعلق درس اليوم بالمهن في الإنجليزية. Let's start. Judge. Judge. قاضي. Baker. Baker. خباز. Waitress. Waitress. نادلة. Butcher. Butcher. جزار. Detective. Detective. محقق. Cooker. Cooker. طباخ. Teacher. Teacher. معلم. Waiter. Waiter. نادل. Pilot. Pilot. طيار. Football player. Football player. لاعب كرة القدم. Musician. Musician. موسيقي. Mechanic. Mechanic. ميكانيكي. Builder. Builder. بناء. Lawyer. Lawyer. محامي. Astronaut. Astronaut. رائد فضاء. Singer. Singer. مغني. Dancer. Dancer. راقص. Barber. Barber. حلاق. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. صيدلي. Dentist. Dentist. طبيب أسنان. Plumber. Plumber. سمكري. Taxi driver. Taxi driver. سائق سيارة الأجرة. Photographer. Photographer. مصور. Carpenter. Carpenter. نجار. Journalist. Journalist. صحفي. Secretary. Secretary. كاتبة. Postman. Postman. ساعي البريد. Soldier. Soldier. جندي. Farmer. Farmer. مزارع. Engineer. Engineer. مهندس. Fireman. Fireman. رجل إطفاء. Scientist. Scientist. عالم. Fisher or fishman. صياد سمك. Writer. Writer. كاتب. Artist. Artist. فنان. Policeman. Policeman. شرطي. Thanks for watching and we hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications to get all the new lessons and to support us, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.